Now let's do a quick recap of all the words and phrases that we've learnt in this course so far. How would you say in French, beautiful? Beau. Thank you or thanks. Merci. Here. Ici. It is. C'est. Yes. Oui. Very. Très. For me. Pour moi. That. Ça. Always. Toujours. Fantastic. Fantastique. Good. Bon. Absolutely. Absolument. I think, or in my opinion. Pour moi. Perfect. Parfait. Extraordinary. Extraordinaire. But. Mais. It isn't. Ce n'est pas. Delicious. Délicieux. That is. Ça c'est. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.